Hi Aztecs, this video is for those of you who are going to do the fitness packet on a computer. If you do it on a computer, these are the links that you need to put into your search browser. 10th graders, you see the tiny URL MOHP course 2. 9th graders, tinyurl.com/MOHPE packet is what you would use. And then all of you, 9th or 10th graders, will turn in your packet with the tiny URL at the bottom, the www.tinyurl.com/MOHPfitness. So copy those down because you're going to have to put them into your browser. This is a step-by-step video on how to use a computer to do the fitness packet. As I said earlier, 9th graders have one tiny URL link, 10th graders have another one, and at the end, when we turn it in, you guys are going to share the same link to turn in the packet. But to start here, we're going to go with the 9th graders right here, tinyurl.com/MOHP packet 1. If you put that into your search browser up here, and hit enter, this is what you get to. Now if you notice, the first thing here, it says view only. So no matter what, you won't be able to write on it. We're going to get back to what to do, but I want to just show you the general idea. Each slide we have here, starting at the first slide, this is just information. It says, if you look over here, it just says informational slide. All right, it's just following directions, lets you know what's going on. Go to the next slide, same thing, more directions, next slide, next slide, next slide. Now, when we get to the blue slides, these are slides now that you can actually work on, right? Then the next slide is more information, then another blue slide you have to work on, another slide you have to work on, and so on. All the way down to the very end. All right, so you just follow directions on pink, fill in on the blue. At the very, very end, there is a how to submit your finished packet. And unfortunately, we didn't set this up as a live link when we originally did it. So you can't just click on here, it's not gonna work. You're actually gonna have to put this in, and I'll show you how to do that later. Anyways, let's go back. Now let me show you how to actually get it so we can copy the link and then share the link and all the other things we need to do. First, we're going to click on File. From File, we go down to make a copy because we can't write on anything until that happens. Now on my thing here, I'm going to go ahead and slide over to click entire presentation. That option may not pop in for you, as it may just say make a copy. Now here, all we're going to do is we're going to write your name. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this and go your name here. All right, then you are going to save it. Now that we've made a copy, you can go ahead and write on it. Let me show you what I mean. I'm going to click on this slide. When I double click, see how the cursor's there? I can go ahead and change stuff and put my name in. Whoop, Coke, not Coke, I'm Coach. And you can insert pictures, you can, it tells you what to do. I'm not going to go ahead and do all of that. I just wanted to show you that. All right, so blue slides are what we're working on. Pink slides are all the directions. We're going to go through and do the whole packet. Now, I'm not going to do that with you, but I just let you know that's what you would be doing. But to be able to share it with us when you're done, one thing that has to happen up here is you have to click this share link up here. Now, what I like to do here is copy the link and turn the link sharing on. So that's the first thing I'm going to do here. Make sure that goes to green. All right. Next here, if you see it's already on the right setting. Anyone with the link can view, that's what we want. But just in case, you would click that and make sure anyone with the link can view. All right. We can make it a little more specific and make sure everything is right by clicking down here and more. And if we do that, we can also make sure anyone with the link can view. Once everything is where we want it, just hit save. At some point, you need to copy the link. So since we're here now, we're going to go ahead and copy this link. All right. Now, at the very end, you're going to paste this link into the last step. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you through the last step right now. All right. So I went to the last page here to remind you, do not click on this link. It's not a live link. No matter how many times you do anything, this will not work. So what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to put this link into a new tab. All right. The link is, if you click here, I'll highlight in blue, www.tinyurl.com/MOHPE fitness. Let's see if I spelled that right. www.tinyurl.com MOHP fitness. All right, perfect. So once you click on that, hit enter, and it'll take you to this. This last page here, notice you have all the teachers to choose from. So let's say I'm in Leaf's class. I'm going to click Leaf. Let's say I'm in period 3. I'm going to go ahead and click period 3. Hopefully you remember your roll call number. If you don't worry about it. But if you do, it makes it a little bit easier for us. So let's say I'm number 23. And you want to put your name. So I am full name, first and last name. But I'm just going to put Coach. All right. Now, remember we copied the link? Well, here's the place where you're going to put the link. Okay? So I would hit Control V. There's the link that I copied from earlier. And if you didn't, go back to your spot where I showed you earlier on how to copy the link, and go ahead and copy the link. You can get there from share, and then you'll be able to copy the link, the little share button on the top right. Anyways, once you are done, all you have to do is paste that link in and click submit. Once you've done that, notice it says your fitness packet has been recorded. All right. Good luck. If you have any questions, just reach out to your teachers and we will help you out. You guys have 3 weeks to get this done, so get it done. Good luck.